In this quick video guide, we're gonna come back into Firefly. We're gonna go back to Firefly and generate jewelry using artificial intelligence and also using references such as sketches or images, renderings, and photorealistic renderings or just photography, pictures, etc., etc. So look for your references. If you want, you can do a search in Google. I'm doing a quick search here just to have some inspirations, but you can also create your own sketches. So this one here, you can see it could be one of my references if I want to do bracelets, or if I want to do a ring, or if I want to do a, a necklace, etc., etc. So you can get all the references you want from Google again, or you can just create your sketches, which is also going to be more interesting if you are a designer, if you are designing jewelry. So I'm going to use one of these, but you can create your own. So I want to use this one here, just again as a simple references, but I don't want to do something like this. This is just to show you how the process will be when you upload references and generate from existing images. Now I want to do something with a Japanese demon mask, so I'm looking for some references also from here, which could be again pictures or realistic images, or they can be drawings, sketches, illustrations, whatever you want, whatever you like, wherever you feel it's closer to your idea. And also you can look for like Creative Commons assets in the web. And finally, I can pick here another image for my final image to use as a result. So for example, if I want a rendering look to my final rendered image, my final generated image, I can pick one rendering. Or if I want something more realistic, I can get a jewelry photo. So I can search for, like advertisements or magazines or other free sources here on the web, like Pixels or PXAir and etc., etc. So if you like the color, the background, and the setting for something, you can pick it as the reference image. Now let's go into Adobe Firefly. You can access Adobe Firefly just by searching it into Google, or if you access your Creative Cloud, you can just search for Firefly and you'll find also other news and updates, and usually it also appears around here. And you can also use it directly in Adobe Express if you want. There is a course in Adobe Express in the channel. Now I'm just going to type Firefly in here, and I will click on this little button or icon, and it will get me to the website, which right now is in Italian, but you will have it in your own language, usually English. So since we created other video guides about Adobe Firefly, this is another one. I'm gonna go quick here and I'm gonna go in my own language. So what I'm typing here is that I want to create a ring, so jewelry, with the shape of a demon mask or demon face, or Japanese. Actually, try to be more specific as you can. Try to be more descriptive as you can. The more you describe, the better you describe, the more keywords you use in the description of what you have in mind, what is your idea, the better it will be the results that you generate using artificial intelligence. So I'm also typing here that I want to see a hand, which with the jewelry. So I'm gonna click on generate the blue button, and here we are inside Adobe Firefly. And you can see how quick it is to generate the first results. I think it's the quickest, or one of the quickest artificial intelligence, because now it has a rapid or fast generation, which is a new feature on the latest version here of Firefly. Again, we explained all these settings, all these parameters in other video guides if you look in the playlist or just search it in the channel. But anyway, what I'm going to do here is give some more reference to my idea, which is not really what I intended. So I'm going to upload the first sketch in the references section on the left side panel, and I'm going to adjust also the prompt. So the prompt is mainly the words that you're going to use to describe. So I don't want this to get like fit on a hand. I want to make this fit on a finger. So I'm going to be more specific with this, and I'm going to specify that I don't want like a ring around the hand, but around a finger. And I can also type if I want this like in metal or gold or silver, or if I want like black raw metal. So try to be again more specific. Once you get the first results, you can then like refine the prompt. And again, it's using the sketch right now. We can definitely see that it's taking the sketch as an inspiration. So you can also choose the intensity of the reference. So if you want to like increase more or less. And what I'm doing here is just typing some refinements. I'm gonna decrease the intensity of the reference image so that is not so kind of overriding the idea. And also I want to choose a reference image for the image itself, the final result. So I want something to look like this, like a yellow background and also golden stuff. And there you go. It's really quick and it's just changed everything. Now it's taking into consideration the sketch. I kind of lost the demon mask though, so what I'm gonna do is pick another reference and try now with the demon mask. So you can continue and try different sketches, try different images, trying to adjust the intensity of the references, and that's gonna get you different results. Try to adjust the prompt, and now there's something that is starting to, look pretty cool. It's mixing the two references. It's created something like this, which I starting to like, and it's starting to look like a ring that can be wear on the on a finger. And here you have other tools that we already explored, like generation of details. So you can go and remove or generate parts that you don't need in the image. Or you can also click and use this as a reference for the next brainstorming section, for the next generation. So if I click this, and now uh, well, of course, I, I want to use this. So I click there and it's going to replace the reference in there. Now I also rescale this. I upscale this, which is another feature that you can use once you have the, let's say, low quality versions. You can do the high quality or upscale, and then you can use that to generate more imagery. And here again, I'm adjusting the words to describe what I want to see a little bit, and that's gonna now take this as a new starting point. So the generated image is now my reference. So with this, I can then be more and more specific, get closer and closer to what I want, and that's how the overall process works, more or less. Now, once you finish, you can download the image, you can upload it, or you can share it using a link. So you can copy the link, you can save the image, you can open it up in Adobe Express, or perhaps you can continue with Photoshop or GIMP or Canva or Pixar if you want to do more graphic design. Or else, maybe you want to just create this with a 3D software. So you can use Blender, you can use ZBrush, you can use Cinema 4D, 3ds Max, Maya. There are a lot of 3D software out there. But this is going to be it for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated. If you want to support us or thank us, you can join as a supporter and go and check all our other courses and video guides that we have in the channel. If you're looking for something specific, just type in the search bar the keywords and you'll find probably a video, or just write in the comments for suggestions for other similar topics and videos. So this will be all. Thanks for watching, and that's it. See you in the next video guide.